You all winded out? Have you got any burps left in there?
No. Any burps left, Alan? Any burps?
Smell nice. Smell nice. I'm sorry.
Right.
Oh, that's better. That's better.
Is it a little burp machine?
Yeah. I can see you.